The chunk. Nice. I hate this thing. I hate these things. Clappy monkeys. There are a very small list of objects that I have irrational hatred for. One of them is these clappy monkeys, and the other one is the steak knife, steak tong. It's the thing you use when you're barbecuing. It has two tongs on it, 2 prongs. A fork with 2 prongs. Hate those things. Hate. Despise. Hate is a strong word, and it is just here. Oh, no, 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 no! Ew! I'm going to dispose of you. Do I need this? I think I need this still. Okay. I don't know why I hate it though. I also don't like the thing. You know the kids' toy? It's like a little tin can with microphones on both sides, and if you flip it on one side, it goes meh, and if you flip it on the other side, it goes moo, like a cow. I don't like that. I must have had some kind of traumatic childhood memory attached to it. Wait, what? Okay. Monkey. Yeah, bye. Shut up, monkey. What is in this box?